the methods. So going into JS, the thing is you have to understand basic JS syntax
Yeah.
for you to be able to do these things. So there are methods. You have DOM methods. This is about
Yeah.
manipulating your web page. Then you have string methods. These are methods you use to manipulate text data type. You have object methods strictly for objects. Array methods for arrays. Now the most important part is that of objects and DOM. Understanding object data types allows you to manipulate your DOM very well, because the DOM actually is an object. So if you don't know what an object is, it becomes difficult doing DOM. Now we're going to
Mm.
take a simple example. The thing is, you have to understand the basic syntax before you be able to,
Okay.
yes, do all those other stuff.
Yeah.
So I I'm going to go back a bit, and then I'll just rush over foundation concepts like variables, data types, functions, and
Okay.
I may not touch loop. So I can actually write my script without the full HTML setup, as I already have my script is fine. So the first thing is about a variable. A variable is simply a container. Like in real life, you have containers, cup, bucket, leather bag, your backpack, your wallet. These are all forms of containers. They can carry any kind of content. So a variable
Okay.
is that kind of container. Now we're going to relate this mathematically, where we could say x is equal to 12, and then x is a variable and it's got content inside, in this case
Sir,
12.
I'm not seeing your screen. Sorry, sir.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to share. Sorry about that. But the audio is okay now, right?
Or the network
Alright.
is okay.
Okay, so I'm going to take that again. I said we're looking we're looking at x as a
Yeah.
variable, which we're
Mm.
saying is a container, and then 12 here is the content we're storing in x. It means anywhere we see x, we are looking at 12. For example, I could say y is equal to
Okay.
x times 2, which means automatically y is 24. Now, we're using maths to express this because with numbers they're simple and we can work with them.
Mm.
We can perform basic operations with them. In real life, we also use this concept, but in real life now it will be a bit complex. So that's why we're expressing this way. Now, if a variable is a container and it can carry content, we want to understand the content of that variable, which brings us to data types, because your variables
That's
can carry so much, anything. Let's say in the house now, you have a bucket. You fetch water inside that bucket. Maybe you want to
mm.
pack sand, you use the bucket. Maybe you want to go and, too many things can actually go into that bucket. So we want to understand what's inside the bucket, so we'll be able
Mm.
to know how to handle it. There's a kind of content you put in your bag that you will not want anyone to go close to it. Not because of the bag, but because of the content of the bag. Okay, so we have the first data type, which is number. In JavaScript, number such as 12 as 3. Okay, let me come again. I said in JavaScript, numbers such as 12, 3.6, or big number. So this is a big int. This is a float, that's a decimal number, and a whole number referred to
One
as
number.
int. In JavaScript, they are all called numbers.
Number.
This is like saying n1 is equal to 12. This is a number. You don't write numbers in quotes or saying n2 is equal to 3 point something. Anything that is a number should not be in
Not
quotes.
be in quotes. Yeah.
So
So
this very one here now is
this
not
very
a
one
number.
here now is not a number. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the next
Now
type
the next
is type.
type is type.
Okay. I don't know. Did something change on your
Did
end?
something change on your end? No, not
My voice is echoing.
my voice is echoing. Nothing changed.
Mm,
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay. Maybe. Alright, now the script type. Anything we write to whether single or double or even split. This very one is called back. Okay. You will find it under edit. Anything like this is called split. So even if I say my number is equal to and then I put it quote, we are saying this is not the difference between a number, a number string is I I can say E1 plus N2. No. That would give me 50.5. But I cannot say N1 plus 50 because this one is regarded as it will not go. In 12 times, maybe it's welcome. The bench is welcome. Then the next time look at this. Oh, really? Yes, and I think it's HTML. You have if you have if you want to fix items, if you want to arrange items, use arrange type. But usually use the whole multiple. This are you can not talk. Hello? Yeah, hello. You said to do what? No, are you getting me? Yeah, I'm hearing you. I was explaining what I okay. So in our previous type we can store multiple values in a variable. For instance, I'm saying like this. If you are creating very you're expecting this to not have a mathematical equation plus minus multiplication. That's why I use under if you use hyphen or division plus this is equal to so the best I use for or make area for right. So this is this. array that dimension is bracket. So once you see those values in square bracket, it must be an array. And then assuming this is come to write values. Value number one is the second item is laptop.
Okay.
The fourth one is sim is third one is lecture and lecture for all right here. Your array will have
Network.
such as length. Hello?
Yeah.
When you
What type of network is this?
hello?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir. The
When
network
the
is
last thing
somehow bad, like it's just bad, but let's continue.
I think when I do when about something it's not completely because I'm like I have different applications to listen. So immediately that the network is actually
Okay.
don't know. Actually, maybe I will see if I can change my
Sir?
see if I can change my specific okay, so
Yeah.
the thinking of the budget one and I will have the profit and net profit. This is equal to the number of items
Hmm.
in an array. In modern programming languages, we refer to this as arrays of an array. So here we repeat the length. Then we have array index.
Okay.
Array index is simply the position of items in an array. So if we're talking about the number of items, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items.
Hmm.
So let's say 4.
Okay.
The index now is the particular item. For instance, freezer is the position of freezer. What is the position of
Okay.
in index here is 0. On here, what happens is the first item is at 0 and laptop is freezer with it. So if you have 4 items in an array, that is the item will split it at 3.
Hmm.
Since the first and the fourth are that's how you can so if you can get phone, I will use index 0. If I want to access laptop, use 1 and freezer with the 3. We're going to print all these values. We'll find it down there. Okay. Now the other is the object is inside. Now an object is just the object is so much like that to use as an object of language, of the table, of the first part, and of the any kind of that could be there. In real life, you possess properties that describe them. For instance, what makes you know that this is it has four types. It has a cell, a therefore, an engine, and the whole structure of the car. These are descriptive properties. You see them, they don't differentiate the car. If you see a phone has different pictures and it looks like a phone.
Okay.
Yes. So JavaScript, you cannot really know the object of the screen. So what you simply do, you change the property, the text property, the descriptive property of that object. Let's say we have a car and then that car and in object detail with curly bracket, square or square, basically we open it and define the property or assuming property. For instance, the name and you have the name of this car
Mm.
is contact. So just like even if you like a car, why the name is because it's linked to that. Why you will know that the car is good is because it depended like okay, I will know how was done in a particular year. I'm using manufactured year and this can be a number because it is not type system. Okay. What other properties can let's say now to like transition down. So this is an object of we are actually listing this value just like this, but this time we describe it that this is name,
Mm.
color, this is element, this is translation. So when we get the color we use the property color. When we get the name of the car, we use the property name. When we get the car, I use the property information. These are basic important that you have to understand to help you. Understanding them will help you
Mm.
know what happened in the exam. So the period is very beginning. You can't exactly not really say what's happened. You just can start of it. Now, after creating all of this, we're going to invite the notebook. What is an out all the things we're doing today. So we have an L.
Okay.
Yes, but if you don't use it, you can't it will automatically bring something on the screen.
Okay.
So, but you have to do it here to help you. You need to Python. Okay, you need to Python. Okay, are you there?
Yeah. I'm
If
here.
you want to write on your web page now,
Mm.
you're using it, you will use a tag or any of the tags.
Okay.
So, you want to write in that, that's what has to be developed. So, for now, we're using it to write it.
Okay.
I will very good Y or L at this time. Why?
Your screen is out of view again. Okay. It's back.